Hey guys, Asher from hashtag and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm giving you some specifications of Oppo Reno 3 Pro, which is going to be launched on December 26th in China. Well, few days before it appears in real images with punch hole design. Oppo confirmed that VOOC 4.0 flash charge will use in Oppo Reno 3 Pro, but it will use an enhanced version of the VOOC 4.0 flash charge, which will deliver 50% in 20 minutes. Oppo Reno 3 Pro powered by upper mid-range Snapdragon 765 SoC, which will be also utilized by Redmi K30 5G. But standard Oppo Reno 3 will use MediaTek 5G chipset, which will be equipped with 8GB of RAM. Further uses a 360-degree surround antenna design. This will improve the gaming experiences, also keeps the signal stable. Surely it is going to be a great experience for the gaming. On the front, the Reno 3 Pro will sport a 6.5-inch curved AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate, an in-display fingerprint sensor and a Gorilla Glass 6 protection included. But the Reno 3 will use a standard water drop design. Oppo Reno 3 Pro has a quad rear camera setup that is tipped to include 48-megapixel primary camera assisted by an 8-megapixel telephoto lens, a 30-megapixel ultra-wide-angle shooter and a 2-megapixel macro or depth sensor. Both phones are available in 5 colors, which includes Moonlight White, Moon Night Black, Sunrise Impression, Blue Starry Night and a Misty White. So let me know your thoughts about the Oppo Reno 3 Pro in the comment box. I will see you all tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates about the smartphones, and also don't forget to hit that notifying bell icon. Thank you for watching it. I'm Ashkar from hashtag.